ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause.
Wow, wow, wow. Good afternoon, everyone. It's an absolute pleasure to welcome you all to the second contest for our exciting quiz competition. After an impressive display of knowledge and quick thinking in the first contest, we are thrilled this afternoon to see our new contestants who are ready to challenge themselves. I know that this afternoon promises to be even more intense as our contestants gear up to showcase their brilliance and compete for the top spot. This afternoon, we warmly welcome our contestants, our quiz mistress, which is myself, and of course, our enthusiastic audience. I can see you over there. Give us a round of applause, our audience. Yeah, I can see that resounding clap. Then this afternoon, you are really going to clap. You are the ones who make this event truly special. We hope you all are excited, as we are, to witness another thrilling showdown of great minds. So without further ado, we will get started. And I pray that the best team wins. But most importantly, let us all enjoy this journey of learning and fun together. Dear viewers who are online watching us, thank you for staying and keeping the channel active. To let you know that this quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with Ghana Education Service and DEX Technology. We extend our appreciation to our Vice Chancellor, Professor Mrs. Rita Kosia-Dixon, for your continuous support. Mami, thank you so much. We also recognize and appreciate the leadership of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz Board, our chair, Professor Kwesi Preko, and all board members. Thank you so much. We will use this opportunity to thank all heads of the various schools who are competing in this year's contest, having the faith in your students, preparing them and bringing them to the stage. We want to say thank you. To our dedicated teachers who have burned the midnight candle with our contestants in preparing them, we want to send our appreciation your way. And to you, the gallant students who are seated, proudly representing your schools this afternoon, we want to also salute you and say you are warmly welcome. With our contestants seated, we should also know that this quiz is proudly sponsored, and it is an opportunity to appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors who have come on board to come and support us in diverse ways. To our sponsors, we want to say thank you. We appreciate all your effort. This afternoon, let me show our appreciation to KNUS E-Learning Center. All our media and video coverages are being handled by them. Therefore, we are so grateful. At KNUS E-Learning Center, we always say that it's just a click. KNUS Institute of Distance Learning, our IDL Center, thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. They are the ones who usually will help us with venues that we have our contest in. At IDL, we say lifelong learning, an essential key for development. To Desk Technologies, they have made practical science very practical. Our technology round is being handled by Desk Technology, and they've made our dream a reality. To Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, a heartfelt gratitude. Thank you for the juicy prizes for this year's competition. Your generous contributions have been a cornerstone to our success. Ghana National Petroleum Corporation, GNPC, thank you so much for impacting life. Thank you, SteadyX, for coming on board. Thank you, Pizza Man, Chicken Man. We are looking forward to wonderful meal packages. At Pizza Man and Chicken Man, we say great food lives here. We also want to thank Fonjo Images. They help keep your memories alive. To our media partner, Husband TV, thank you for telecasting this program live and for amplifying our reach and our impact. Thank you for partnering with the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. At Husband, we say, Obia Bedidi. Maybe I should do it in fancy, which is Obia Bezizi. I hope I'm not wrong, contestants. Everyone will have their share. And to our viewers, to all contestants and to our teachers, to all our audience, you should remember that this Junior Science and Maths Quiz program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlying the life sciences and the physical sciences. This quiz is expected to promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages of the academic life. So this afternoon, my name is Dr. Mesosia Santwa Osei, a senior lecturer at the Department of Pharmaceutics of the Faculty of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences of the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. I am honored to be your quiz mistress for this afternoon's competition. So with this, I would love the schools to also introduce themselves. So Enyanmaim Islamic Junior High. Can I know the contestants, please?
My name is Blessing Mesa, final year.
My name is Sadiq Dodu. I am Basic 9.
Okay, St. Nicholas Anglican Junior High School is represented by
Manuel Kusiamo,
and
Nicholas and JHS of Adisado College.
Okay, and
Joseph Inshira Hobson from St. Nicholas Anglican JHS.
Okay. Can we have Narkwa Methodist School also introduce themselves?
Hagan Mbia John is my name, Basic 9.
Nancy Michael, Basic 8.
Well, a round of applause to all our contestants, please. Let's boost their morale before we start. You know, they need the morale support. Thank you so much. So please kindly pay attention to the instructions I'm about to give, because this contest is governed by rules and regulations, and we are supposed to abide by them to have a very wonderful and a seamless contest. So this afternoon, there will be 4 rounds in this competition. We are going to have round 1, which is fundamentals. This round will consist of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. Remember, if a school answers a question correctly, 3 points is awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other schools to compete for. Please remember, the bonus, you have to compete. It means that you have to ring your buzzer to get the bonus question. The score for the bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus. So this instruction is very important. Even if it's your main question, you have just 2 attempts. Even if the time is not up, answering 2 attempts means you are automatically bailed out. But if it's a bonus, you have only 1 attempt. Bonus questions are open to the 2 schools to compete by ringing their buzzer. Failing to press your buzzer before answering the bonus question will nullify your answer. That means that no point will be awarded even if you are right. Best wishes to all the schools. So with this, can we hear the buzzer for Enyanmaim Islamic Junior High, St. Nicholas, St. Nicholas, Narkwa, your buzzer. Can I please hear your buzzer? So let's wait while our technical people help Narkwa fix their buzzers. Thank you so much, our engineers on the ground. Thank you. So with the ringing of the buzzers, we come to question 1. Kindly listen carefully. Following elements, compound, or mixture. Enyanmaim Islamic Junior High, gunpowder.
Compound.
Yes, Sadiq? Wrong? Please repeat yourself again. You repeat. Mixture, it is for 3 points. So please speak into the microphone, because if you don't speak, you see the other group rang the buzzer, though you said the right answer. So please speak into the microphone, project. St. Nicholas Anglican JHS, cement. Cement.
Mixture.
Yes, Emmanuel, mixture, it is for 3 points. Narkwa Methodist School, sucrose. Sucrose.
Compound.
Compound, it is for 3 points. So there is also another preamble to all the schools. Identify these plants as monocots and dicots. St. Nicholas Anglican JHS, maize.
Dicotyledon. Dicotyledon.
Wrong. This question cannot be passed on since there are only two options. So Narkwa Methodist School, sweet potato.
Dicotyledon.
Correct for 3 points. Enyanmaim Islamic JHS, Pawpaw. Sadiq dicotyledon, it is for 3 points. Narkwa Methodist School. What is the most appropriate finger required to type the letter R on a standard QWERTY computer keyboard? QWERTY is the QWERTY keyboard. What finger?
The right ring finger. The right index finger.
Wrong for a bonus.
Yes, finger.
Saint Nicholas.
Left index finger.
Left index finger for 1 point. Enyanmaim Islamic JHS. Which finger should be used to type the letter M on a standard QWERTY computer keyboard?
Right index finger.
Right index finger for 3 points. St. Nicholas Anglican JHS. What is the most appropriate finger required to type the letter O on a standard QWERTY computer keyboard?
Right middle finger.
Please let me hear the answer first before that. Please, if it's your major question, don't ring the buzzer, please. So just answer. What did you say? You said right what?
Middle finger.
Okay, so Narkwa Methodist, kindly take it as a bonus.
Right ring finger.
Right ring finger for 1 point. So there is a preamble to all the schools. There are 3 Newton's law of motion. State the laws of motion and their respective equation. So Enyanmaim Islamic JHS. First law.
First law of motion states that an object in motion continues to be in motion until an extended force acts on it. And an object at rest continues to be at rest until an extended force acts on it.
Okay, so you are there were 2 parts. The equation.
First.
No. The same person must continue.
Mass times acceleration.
Wow. Okay, so the question is in 2 parts. He answered the first part correctly and the second part wrongly. So I'll give him 2 out of 3. St. Nicholas Anglican JHS. Remember, I am asking you the law and the equation, so kindly take note. The second law.
Second law of Newton states that the force of a body is directly proportional to the mass at a constant acceleration. The equation is force equals mass times acceleration.
Come again. Okay. So, a bonus for the schools to compete for? Narkwa Methodist.
The acceleration of the body is directly proportional to the net or resultant force acting on it and inversely proportional to the mass of the body. And the formula is force.
The formula is acceleration equals force divided by mass.
That's correct. Okay, so I have been reliably informed, so please take on. I learned that it was a major question for St. Nicholas, right? Yeah, major question. So St. Nicholas, I learned your submission was correct for the first part of the question. So please just give us a minute to do some recaps.
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pass and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few
Wow, contestants, don't worry. You are in good hands. So for St. Nicholas Anglican JHS, indeed the rate of change is directly proportional. So you get all your 3 marks, and the equation is indeed F is equal to what? N times 8. Thank you very much. So Narkwa Methodist, I think you have so much time to think about yours. So give me the third law. Newton's third law and the equation.
Newton's third law of motion states that to every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. And the formula is F divided by acceleration equals M.
Now, I didn't hear you. The last part of the equation. Can I hear the equation again?
Force divided by acceleration equals mass.
Unfortunately, your equation is not force over acceleration is equal to mass. It is. So with this, you get 3 points for the question. Okay, so this set of questions, you have 40 seconds to answer because they are all calculation questions. So get your pens and papers ready. We start from Enyanmaim Islamic JHS. John sold a car for 60,000 Ghana cedis and made a profit of 20%. What is the cost price of the car?
$40,000 cedis.
That's cedis.
Wrong. Narkwa Methodist.
50,000 Ghana cedis.
They had given 2 answers. Saint Nicholas.
50,000 Ghana cedis.
50,000 Ghana cedis for a bonus of 1 and for a mark of 1. Okay. Saint Nicholas, your major question. Lisa sold a painting for 4,000 Ghana cedis, gaining a profit of 20%. What is the cost price of the painting?
Sorry. 3,000 Ghana cedis. 3,000 Ghana cedis.
A wrong answer, please. So the next. Okay, so the time is up. The answer is 3,200 Ghana cedis for the question. Now, a car dealer sold a vehicle for 45,000 80%. What is the cost price of the vehicle?
$80,000 Ghana cedis.
Please come again.
80,000 Ghana cedis.
Wrong.
2,250 Ghana cedis.
Wrong.
36,000 Ghana cedis.
36,000 Ghana cedis it is. Please, may I know the school because the...
It's Nicholas Anglican.
No, it is the last one. So that is Saint Nicholas. You are the ones who got the answer right? 36,000. Okay, so correct for 1 point. Okay, so a preamble to all the schools. Please, the following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. Remember, these questions cannot be passed on because it's either true or it's either false. So please take note. So Narkwa Methodist, you are the ones going first. A transformer can change the voltage of an alternating current. True or false?
True.
True it is for 3 points. Enyanmaim, Islamic JHS, a magnetic field is created by stationary electric charges. True or false?
True.
False is the answer. Saint Nicholas Anglican JHS, the principle of superposition applies to both waves and electric fields. True or false?
True.
True it is for 3 points. Enyanmaim, Dodder is a plant parasite. True or false?
True.
True it is for 3 points. St. Nicholas JHS, the causative organism of malaria is paramecium. True or false?
True. Sorry, false.
Unfortunately, I cannot give you the mark because true came first before false. Narkwa Methodist School, trypanosomiasis is a disease transmitted by Aedes mosquito. True or false?
False.
False is the answer for 3 points. With this answer false, we come to the end of round 1. We will wait patiently for the scores to be brought to us for round 1. So we still want to acknowledge all our sponsors who have come on board to make this contest a great success. We continue to acknowledge the KNUST Learning Center. We acknowledge the IDL, Institute of Distance Learning, Desk Technologies. We want to say thank you. To Multi-Credit Savings and Loans, thank you so much. Ghana National Petroleum Corporation, SteadyX, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, thank you. Fojo Images, Kesben TV, we want to say thank you. We appreciate you all.
ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Wow, we have come to a very close contest. This particular contest, trust me, promises to be a race chaser. So this afternoon, I bring you the scores for round 1. In no particular order, okay? So Enyanmaim Islamic Junior High has 14 points. St. Nicholas Anglican Junior High, 12 points. Narkwa Methodist School, 16 points. Yeah, so as I said, don't be too excited because we have more to come. And this is quite a close contest. So let's keep rolling and see what will happen. So we are now moving to round 2. So we are now moving to round 2 of our contest. And this round 2 is what we have called the fastest finger. Kindly listen to the instructions concerning this round very well so that we'll be able to execute. Round 2 is the fastest finger. One question will be read out. Contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to answer, they should please press the buzzer before they attempt. Answering the question before pressing the buzzer will disqualify your school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, you have 3 seconds to answer the question. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. That is still to press the buzzer. A wrong answer in this round will attract a penalty of 1 point. What it means is that if you answer it wrongly, I will deduct 1 point from the point you already have. So before you answer, kindly think twice before you give out the answer. So with this, I wish all the schools the very best. So let's go to the first question of this section. What does DNA stand for? St. Nicholas buzzer came first. Deoxyribonucleic acid is the answer. So before I continue, kindly let us hear your buzzers again, okay? So St. Nicholas, press your buzzer. Okay. Enyanmaim, can we also hear your buzzer? The Methodist School. All right, thank you very much. So let's move to the second question. How many electrons are present in titanium with the atomic number 22 and a charge of +3. St. Nicholas, you press the buzzer. It's fine. Okay, so the other schools, you can compete. Narkwa Methodist.
19.
19, it is for 4 points. The process of protecting computer systems from malware and other security threats is known as Enyanmaim.
Copyright.
St. Nicholas Anglican.
Information security.
No. Do we have any other school coming? Okay, the answer is antivirus protection. The next question. What is the phenomenon called when a wave changes direction as it passes through an opening? St. Nicholas Anglican.
Diffraction.
Diffraction, it is for 4 points. The next question. If 2 or more numbers have the same factor, that factor is called St. Nicholas Anglican.
Common factor.
Common factor, it is for 4 points. The next question. What is the primary source of energy used in photosynthesis? Enyanmaim.
Sunlight.
Sunlight, it is for 4 points. The next question. A circuit. So what is the answer? Okay, so St. Nicholas, you have been bailed out. So it's now only the 2 schools who are going to compete. So please keep your hands away from your buzzer, okay? A circuit consists of 12 volts battery and a 4 ohm resistor. Calculate the power dissipated by the resistor. Narkwa Methodist.
36 watts.
36 watts, it is for 4 points. The next question. Find the gradient of the line with the equation 6x minus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Narkwa Methodist.
3.
3, it is for 4 points. So with 3 for 4 points, we come to the end of round 2, which was the fastest finger. We will wait patiently for our scores. Congratulations to all the competing schools. We still want to acknowledge all our sponsors who have come on board to help this quiz for it to be a success. The KNUST Learning Center, the KNUST IDL, that is the Institute of Distance Learning, DEX Technologies, they are handling our science and technology round. We also want to say thank you to Multi-Credit Savings Alone. The prizes that will come along this competition is being sponsored by them. Ghana National Petroleum Corporation, thank you so much. 30X, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, to Fonjo Images, and to Kesben TV, we want to say thank you. We appreciate all that you do for this competition. Thank you. Wow. We have come to the end of our second round, and these are the scores. As I always say, in no particular order. So Narkwa Methodist School, 12 points. St. Nicholas Anglican Junior High, 9 points. Enyanmaim Islamic JHS, 3 points. So at the end of round 2, these are the total scores. Enyanmaim Islamic Junior High, 17 points. St. Nicholas Anglican Junior High, 21 points. Narkwa Methodist School, 28 points. A round of applause to all our contestants, please. So with this, we are going to move into our Science and Technology Challenge. So for round 3, please listen carefully, okay? One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 15 points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. Remember, as I said initially, this round 3 is sponsored by DEX Technologies. At DEX, they make science practical. You have been provided with 2 dry cells, so please, I'm talking to the schools now. Kindly check if you have 2 dry cells that are both labeled V. If you all have it, just say yes, please. You all have it? A diode labeled D. A switch labeled K. So if you have it, just show it up and let me know that you really have it. Okay? DC motor labeled M. Great. Resistor labeled R. And an LED labeled L. Okay. You are required to perform the following task. Connect the electric circuit as shown in the figure below. Do you have the figure in front of you? Great. So your related question that you are supposed to do on the sheet that will be assessed, you have to close the switch and write your observation. The third will be reverse D and connect it. Close the switch and write your observation. Then you have to explain your observation in task 3. Then state the type of connection that components M and L were connected in the circuit. So with this, I say that let your Science and Technology Challenge round begin. Kindly write the name of your schools on your answer sheets. Thank you.
ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pass and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000 bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry, and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. Hashtag KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pass and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000 bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry, and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology.
Wow, this has been quite an exciting tech round. And I'm so impressed about what you guys have done with all the items that you were given. Whatever scores you will get, kindly knows that you have done a yeoman's job, okay? Can you hear me? Yeah, so you have done a yeoman's job. So here are the scores. In no particular order, I will start from Narkwa Methodist. They were able to complete all their tasks, so they got 3 points. Task 2, they got 1 point. Task 3, also 1 point. Then question 1, question 2, they got everything correct. So in the tech round, Narkwa Methodist had 10 points. A round of applause. Then St. Nicholas. Task 1, you had 1 point because your connection were in series instead of parallel. Task 2, you only have a half point because only 1 observation was provided. Task 3, 1 point. Question 1, you had your 3 points. Then question 2, you had 2 points. In all, you had 7.5. A round of applause to St. Nicholas Junior High. Then we now come to Enyanmaim Islamic JHS. Task 1 is also 1 point because your task was incomplete. You connected all your series also in series of what? Parallel. You have half point for 1 observation, another half point for task 3, 3 points for your question 1 that you answered, and 2 points for question 2. So in all, you had 7 points. A round of applause to the contestants. So can we take the scores for round 3? At the end of round 3, these are the scores. Enyanmaim Islamic JHS, 7 points. St. Nicholas Anglican Junior High, 7.5 points. Narkwa Methodist School, 10 points. At the end of round 3, these are the total scores. Narkwa Methodist School, 38 points. St. Nicholas Anglican Junior High, 28.5. Enyanmaim Islamic Junior High, 24 points. With this, we move to the next round of our contest. So please, our audience, a round of applause to our contestants. They have done so well. So we are now moving to the last round of our contest. And this is the riddles round, one of my most favorites when it comes to this contest. So please pay attention, all contestants. This round is a riddles round. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If you answer the question on the first clue, you get 6 points. On the second clue, if it's answered correctly, 5 points. On the third clue, 4 points. And on the fourth and any other, 3 points. Kindly remember that you are to press your buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from that question and will nullify your answer even if you are correct. With this, can I please hear the buzzers once again? Can we start from Enyanmaim Junior High? Narkwa Methodist. Then we have St. Nicholas Anglican Junior High. Thank you very much. So with the buzzer of St. Nicholas Junior High, we start the riddles 1. I am a common alloy. Builders use me to make skyscrapers and bridges stand tall. I am resistant to rust. Thanks to Enyanmaim.
Iron.
Wrong. St. Nicholas Anglican.
Still.
Still it is. So I read it on the third clue, so that gives them 4 points. Riddle 2. I am at risk of disappearing, with a few of my kind left. Conservationists work to protect me from extinction. Habitat loss, poaching, and climate change are the threats I face. You might find me on a list created by environmental organizations. Who am I? St. Nicholas Anglican.
Endangered species.
Endangered species, it is for 3 points. Riddle 3. I am essential for editing text. You use me when you make a typo or change your mind while typing. St. Nicholas Anglican.
Backspace.
Backspace, it is for 5 points. Riddle 4. My unit is Celsius or Fahrenheit. Narkwa Methodist.
Temperature.
Wrong. I can show you degrees, not academic degrees. Doctors, cooks, meteorologists all need me to work. With me, you can check fever or the weather outside. Enyanmaim.
Thermometer.
Thermometer, it is for 3 points. With thermometer, we come to the end of round 4. Congratulations to all the competing schools once again. We will wait on our score masters to give us the score for this session. A round of applause to our contestants. At this point, we still want to acknowledge our sponsors of this competition. We want to say thank you so much to the KNUST E-Learning Center for helping us with all our media and video coverages. KNUST E-Learning Center, thank you so much. At the Learning Center, we say it is just a click. To the Institute of Distance Learning of KNUST, thank you for making our journey around the nation a pleasurable one. It has been easy because you provide venues for all our quizzes around the nation. We want to say thank you. At IDL, lifelong learning is an essential key for development. To Dex Technologies, we say practical science is indeed now practical. Thank you for hosting our round 3 of the competition. And we know that with you, our tech round will always be a reality and a success. Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, a heartfelt thank you to you for all the juicy prizes you are going to give for this year's competition. Your generous contribution have really been our backbone in this competition. To GNPC, Ghana National Petroleum, please keep impacting life. Thank you, Steady Years, for coming on board. To Chicken Man, Pizza Man, we are looking forward to a wonderful meal package. At Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we say grateful lives here. Thank you to Fonjo Images, and thank you to Kesben TV, who is telecasting live all these sessions for the whole nation and those outside Ghana to even view what is going on at the junior school level. Kesben TV, thank you for partnering us in this contest. We are grateful. Wow. in no particular order. Narkwa Methodist 0, Enyanmaim Islamic Junior High 3, St. Nicholas Anglican Junior High School 12. So with this, these are the total scores for this contest. Enyanmaim Islamic JHS 27 points, Narkwa Methodist School 38 points, St. Nicholas Anglican Junior High School 40.5 points. So with 40.5 points, we declare St. Nicholas Junior High School as the winners of this contest. A round of applause to St. Nicholas Junior High School. Oh, so all too soon, we have come to the end of today's contest. It has been an exciting contest for all of us. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude today's exciting contest, I stand on behalf of the organizers to take a moment to applaud all the participants for their enthusiasm, knowledge, and competitive spirit. Every one of you have showcased not just your intellect, but your willingness to learn, which is truly commendable. Congratulations to our winners, St. Nicholas Anglican Junior High. You have emerged victorious today. However, in this contest of knowledge, everyone who participated today is a winner because the experience and learning gained are far more valuable, guys. We would also like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our scorekeeper and our e-learning team who are in Central Region helping to conduct this piece, to the organizing team for making this event a grand success, and to you, our wonderful audience, our indefatigable audience. A special thank you for your energy and support. A round of applause to all our audience. Oh, a round of applause. So this evening, we hope you all had as much fun participating as we had organizing this event. Until we meet again, please keep learning, keep growing, and remember, knowledge is one treasure no one can steal from you. Thank you, and have a great day ahead.